Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now I want to make video, and in this video I want to present of my article, and the title is The Analysis of Personality of Erin Crowell in the Freedom Writers movie using Carl Rogers' personality theory. Before I explain or present my article, let me introduce myself. My name is Kustikawati Adwi Pranasta. My student number is 038, and then I am from class A. Okay, content of my article, there are five. The first is introduction, and then the second is literary review, and then the third is research method, and then the fourth is result and discussion, and then the last is conclusion. Okay, before I explain about introduction, the first I want to explain abstract in my journal. Okay, personality is a number of character traits that are shown by someone who is born and consistent in their behavior, so that individuals have a special identity that is different from others. Okay, we know that personality is important in our life. Sometimes we must to change our personality to be better rather than before. This research focused explain personality of main character that is Erin Crowell using Carl Rogers' personality theory. And then the author used a film. The title is Freedom Writers. And then this type of this research, they are this is qualitative. Sorry, this is qualitative. Qualitative research is research by collecting data. After that, analyzed by the author with a description. And then from the result of the research, it can be concluded that personality of Erin Crowell in the Freedom Writers using Carl Roger theory, there are feelings of free creativity, opens of experience, and then existential life, and then the last is truth. Okay. Okay, the next is introduction. The introduction, there are the writer write about definition of personality, and then definition about psychology literature, and then in here the introduction, the writer want to show about the reasons why she chose this film to be object of this research. Okay, introduction. Personality is a number of character traits that are shown by someone who is born consistent in their behavior, so that individuals have a special identity that is different from others. We know that personality is very important of our life. According to Riemann, to 20 and 18, psychology of literature is a study of literature work is using psychological activity. In this film, the title is Freedom Writers. The film released in 2007, where the film was produced by Paramount Picture with the scriptwriter is Ricard. Okay, this film tells about the teacher named Erin Crowell, where she always tries so that her students are able to learn well and be able to achieve the goals they want. Next, the writer chose this film as the of object of the article because of the characterization of character in the film. The characterization in this film is uh, character by Erin, who takes the role of a teacher. Erin has a very inspiring characterization and always tries and hard work. From Erin's characterizations, we can make example of our life, and then not only that, we can be imitate because it has good characterizations. Besides that, Erin is also a motivator for her student she always motivates her students so that they want to change for to be better and want to pursue their dreams. Okay, the next is literary review. In here, I want to discuss about the theory that I use in my article. Okay, the first is about personality. Personality according Leo 20 and 18, a personality that is already present in each individual and is usually stable at a certain individual level. However, personality can also change by several factors, so that personality can change when a certain level and socializing with others people, and it can give effect of personality change. Okay, according Yusuf, 20 and 18, a personality is different and always develops with age and experience. Personality in a person can change with certain causes. Everyone has the right to change their personality to be better. Okay, Manuel Kusumawati, 2013, the personality in the film can be shown through dialogue between other players, ways of thinking to solve problems that is an issue in the film, and the characteristic that affect personality. Okay, the theory of Carl Roger also argues that humans are a complete person in which they have the ability to think, develop, and survive. A person can be said to be a complete human being who must fulfill the special personality of a fully functioning person. These personality are: the first is feelings of free, and then the second is existential life, and then the third is creativity, and then the fourth is confidence, and then the last is opens of experience. Okay, the first is feelings of free. Feelings of free. A person can be said to be a complete human if he has a feelings of freedom, in the sense that no one will control his life or himself. So that a person who is psychological healthy will think for himself and will experience freedom in his life to choose and act according to his ability and desires. And then the second is confidence. Confidence, someone who is said to be psychological healthy will believe in himself because he is sure that he is right and he know what to do according to his ability and desires. After a person chooses a life that they think is right, then that person must trust himself to show that he is not wrong in act. Again, the third is existential life. Existential life in here means that the quality of existential life where people are open to their experience, so that they always find something new and always want to the change and tend to adjust themselves in response to subsequent experience. And then the third, about creativity. Creativity means that the openness of oneself to experience and believe in their own organism will encourage a person to have creativity with the characteristic of acting spontaneously, not being definitive, changing, growing, and developing in response to the various stimuli of life around him. Okay, the last, opens to experience. It means that a fully functioning person is one who accepts all experience with flexibility, so that new perspectives arise, and this he will experience a lot of emotion or emotional, both positive and negative. Okay, the next about research method. Research method of my article. This type of research the writer use is qualitative. Qualitative research is research by collecting data, after that analyzed by the author with a description. Okay, in this article, the author used two data to analyze the personality of Erin Crowell in the film Freedom Writers, so that the data use is divided into two, namely primary data and secondary data. Primary data is the main data used by the author or source data to study or research. The primary data used is from a film. The title is Freedom Writers and released in 2007. Meanwhile, secondary data is that the writer search for books or journals related to the topic raised by the author to be examined in this film. The topic is personality in the characters, and then in the material object used a movie, the title is Freedom Writers. So, and in this movie is the first edition, and the writer used soft copy to analyze this object. Okay, the next is finding and discussion. In here, the writer analyzed personality, which is accordance with the theory of Carl Roger. The first is feelings of free. Feelings of free, a person has the right to choose freedom or for her life. She is free to choose what to do because only she knows what to do. So other people do not have the right to rule themselves. Like in the Freedom Writers film, Erin as the main character has the right to choose to be the best teacher or just as an ordinary teacher who provides learning material. Okay, so about the finding, Erin free to choose about the goals to be a teacher or not. For example, when the fathers forbid he to do not become a teacher, but she want to be a teacher. Okay, the second is opens to experience. Someone who is able to receive experience from someone or himself as learning for the future as a complete human being. She knows what to do with situation or sometimes he doesn't accept. As in the film Freedom Writers, Erin's character is open to experience. In the film, Erin's open up with experience that Erin in fact chose to come to her class, which is number 200 MT class with you. It is hoped that her student will have an open mind that her life has a long way to go and they must continue to struggle to achieve the goal of the future. And then the next is creativity. Creativity, it means that someone with a good psychology will make it as creative as possible as that what he wants to achieve. Like in Freedom Writers movie, Erin is a creative teacher where she wants to make her students think more about their future, not a matter of gain difference. So Erin use theory and playing lines using music, and then switching student seats. So purpose of about it, Erin want to her student to communicate with other students, and they could get to know each other without any hater from themselves. With a diary, Erin knows what her students are going through, so that Erin will provide solution for her student. Okay, the next is confidence. Someone who is said to be psychologically healthy will believe in herself because She is sure that she is right and she knows what to do according to her abilities. In the film, Erin is interviewed by the principal, and the principal underestimating Erin's ability to teach and to become a teacher because she has just a graduate and has no experience of being a teacher. But with the confidence she has, she is allowed to be a teacher in class. And not only that, there is also a sense that Erin tries to give confidence to her superiors about her continuation as a teacher. Okay, this is the finding and discussion, and then the last is conclusion of the article. Okay, from the result and discussion above, it can be concluded that personality of Erin in the Freedom Writers with personality theory by Carl Rogers, they are feelings of free creativity, often open of the experience, and then existential life, and then truths. One of the creativity shown by Erin is that she makes a game that aims to get her student closer because the life problems experienced by her student make them like enemies. And then the problems of life are shown when the race problem is between white and black group. Erin, as a good teacher, wants to make her student realize that this action was not done. In addition, Erin also invites her students to tour a museum, after which Erin also invites them to meet inspirational figures who had experienced what their student had experienced. Erin's creativity she can success in making her student realize the importance of life and keeping struggle for better life. Okay, this is the presence of presentation by me. Thank you for attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.